Just got some stuff at Urban Jungle. Yes. I wouldn't say I got the amazing things, but I got, well, what I mean by that is I got basics. So I'm really excited for it because all I've been wearing lately are basics, you know, since I don't have a big closet. It sucks because since I like had to get rid of all my clothes, when I moved here, I feel like I have to go back to the beginning and start with the bread and butter. So that's kind of like the stuff that I bought a lot of bread and butter. I actually bought a lot of pants, so I bought a lot of bread. And then next I'm looking for some more tank tops like this, just like basic tanks. The butter. There wasn't a lot of butter at Urban Jungle. Their butter is not good. Actually, I would like to argue that their dresses, their butter, and their blouses, not good. Their pants are good. These don't have a button on them, so I have to get, I know that sounds crazy. Like, Billy, you're not going to get a button and sew the button on. Yes, I am, because I have to go to the dollar store. It's actually not even, I don't even know what it's called, the 99-cent store, and get new cleaning supplies. So when I'm there, I'm going to get, I know they have buttons and sewing kits, so I'm actually going to get it today. Because in the past, you know, when I was shopping, I feel like never mind. Aren't these so cute though? They're not pressed, so you can't really tell right now. I love that. See, once I get the button, it'll be amazing. And then the pocket, love that. And they actually fit me really cute because they fit me baggy and they fit me like low-waisted, like right here. So yeah, they're gonna be cute. And then the bottoms, I just need to roll the bottoms. These pants look really cute on me. I think like everything. The pants are all like $8 and the tops are all like $6. Crazy. They're silk, so it'll be cute. These are like, I feel like I just need these for like throw on running down the street. These will also be cute with like, it'd actually be cute with this jacket. Like a white tank top, those pants, some sandals, and then this. This jacket's a good one. This is actually what I was going to wear today, but it's a little too humid right now, but tonight I'll probably put this jacket on.
You gotta shake that.
Take a tambourine, go and get yourself a whistle. Okay. Take a tambourine, go and get yourself a whistle.
it's just way too hot. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh. I actually have to wash that jacket because it smells like, I didn't want to wash the jacket, but it kind of smells like other people, and I hate that, so I can't wear it. It's gross me out. Laundry.